This is a demonstration of how to create a quotation application by converting the Excel quotation format into CELF application. We have a sample Excel sheet for quotation, and we will be importing this to CELF. First, please open CELF. Type in your company ID, user ID, and password to log in. This is the CELF user screen. Please press the Manage button on the upper left corner to open the management screen. This is the CELF management screen. Please click on the New Application button to start creating a new CELF application. It is possible to design your application's layout, database, and logic from scratch, but we will be converting an existing Excel sheet into application in this demonstration. Please create a name for your application. Please make sure that you have chosen Create from Excel file and select the file you would like to convert. The application can be created in 3 steps. These are the types of Excel files that can be imported to CELF. In this demonstration, we will be using the quotation sheet, which is categorized as a single form. Please click on Single Form and then click Next. In this screen, please choose the data you would like to save to the CELF database. Click on the red Select Input Cell button to choose the data by following the tutorial shown. The label name will be automatically selected, so please check to see if the label name is appropriate, then press OK. Next, if the file has a table, please select by following the tutorial. As before, please check the label name and press OK. Please click Next. In this screen, you can specify the data format and input methods. In this demonstration, we will create the application so that the quotation number and to can be searched. Please click Next. In this screen, you can see that the 2 databases were created automatically. If there is no problem, click Next. Please click on the red Create an Application button to finish creating the application. As you can see, you can create an application easily on CELF. Now we're back on the Manage screen. If you press the Cloud button, the application will be released. Please press the Manage button to go back to the user screen. You can see that the newly released application is shown on the user screen. The menu page and the result page was created automatically. You can create a new quotation from this page or search existing quotations. On Excel, the data and format can be different depending on the user, but on CELF, the data and format can be centralized so that you can share and store the data smoothly. This is the application we have created in this demonstration. Next, we would like to demonstrate how the application can be customized on CELF by adding Export to PDF file feature to this application. Please go back to the Manage screen and choose the application you would like to customize. This time, we will be adding the Export to PDF feature in the input page. Choose the cell where you want to show the button for the feature, then click Input Format. Please type in a name for your button and click OK. If you click on the Now Shown PDF button, you can create the action for when the button is pressed. Please click New Action Set to create the action. Name your action and press OK. On CELF, you can create the action by using the Visual Programming feature. Please drag and drop your actions from left to right. When you are done designing your action, press OK. After you select the action you just made, the PDF button will be ready. You can check the feature by clicking on Action button. As you can see, now you can save this page by PDF. Like this demonstration, you can create an application easily on CELF. This is the end of the demonstration.